Look man, most people today are getting into relationships through online dating, so get with the times, or times will get you. Dating of course has changed from what it used to be. It's no longer, hey miss, I quite like the way that you talk and that you walk and that you walk. Can I meet your parents? And then you ask for the lady's hand in marriage. Now you're gonna try that shit. They're gonna be like, I'm an independent woman, you know what I mean? Like, it's just, anyway, there's a new type of dating. Simultaneously, guys are less useful than they were before, right? Less dependable and less, I don't know, just less confident on whatever. Now there's a lot more vanity in the world, so there's a lot of things to take into account. And people like to blame social media and dating apps because of it. Shit, I call that a lack of accountability. As I'm saying recently, it's not a tool, it's the usage of it. People before complained less about not finding the right person, the correct person, the perfect person, in contrast to now. Even though now we have infinite, not really, but we have the whole world at our disposal, right? I could connect with somebody from Zimbabwe, and perhaps this woman from Zimbabwe would be the love of my dreams. Oh my god, she's my soulmate, I love her so much. And this wouldn't have been possible. I would have never known that her name was Fatima and that she was waiting for me across the deserts and the waters and the oceans if we didn't have the internet, social media, dating apps, etc. So of course, dating app is something wonderful. It allows for us to connect across the entire world. How great is that? The problem is us. Of course, we are terrible. Oh god, I hate us. I really do. We lie, we pretend to be somebody that we're not, we play little mind games in order to come out on top. Come out on top in love? Bro, we are a team. It's you and me and the world, baby. Like, it's not like me, I'm better than you, and it's not you, you're better than me. We're a team. We love each other. We want the best for each other. This is what dating is. It isn't, oh, let's have a dynamic where I'm winning over them and where they are simping for me. No, and this is a lot of the things that are provoked or that come out of dating apps. And why is that? It's because in the first place we have no self-control, and the way that we display ourselves is super vain. I get it. We are in there and we are trying to sell ourselves and we appeal to others. Thus we, show shirtless photos, cars, friends, a cool thing. I mean, friends is a good old photo actually. But anyway, we show vanity and we show lots of it. And we also play mind games because we don't want to come across desperate or like we really want them out of fear from all of these ego things. So maybe we like somebody, we really do, but it took a long time to reply. So even though we saw the message right away, we're gonna take some time to reply back. No, reply when you can, and that's it. Stop worrying about little senseless things. You're the problem, my days. And look, I understand temptation comes along and dating apps are good, but they don't make it easy for you. When you go on a dating app, you have lots of options, lots of matches. But this is terrible. If you have so many, you lack commitment. Sure, there's the whole no commitment needed, haha, one night stand. Well, look, honestly, my humble opinion, fuck you. I don't like that shit. I don't want it in my life or my reality. I don't think hooking up with others makes us happier in the long term or even in the short term for most people. So yeah, I'm talking about this under the lens of that dating is in the search of a lifetime partner, somebody that we want to develop and grow with and share all of our memories because we love this person to bits. We can't get over them. We are passionate, so passionate that sometimes our heart burns. But that's part of what makes love so beautiful. So going back, if we have all of these options, we don't have a lot of commitment, right? We talk to somebody and it's like, oh, whatever. There's another more exciting conversation over there, so I'm just gonna go over there. Oh, it got boring, so I'm gonna go back to this one. Oh, they are kind of boring now, or I'll look for someone new. Oh my god. There's a solution for this, and it's not one that we're going to like, but it's to have some self-control. Message one person at a time. Let me give an anecdote of myself. A few years back, I was on Hinge, and I took around a year, a little under, away from dating and women because I just broke up with my first love, right? I had never fallen in love before, and it was a big hit. I wanted some time alone. And time alone isn't like, okay, I need time for myself to self-discover. It doesn't mean self-discover yourself in somebody else's bedroom. It means self-discover and think about life and your spirit. God damn it, man, I hate people. I'm kidding, I love all of you. But yeah, I was on this application and you know what I said about, oh, this conversation's better, that conversation's better. Well, I would be talking to somebody if I felt like it wasn't to my liking, right? We didn't get to know each other that much. Unmatch. right? Or whatever the term was. And then I'd speak to somebody else. Sure, I'd have multiple likes, multiple matches and stuff, but I'd only pay attention to one until I decided that, yes, I shall pursue it, in which case I shall cut everybody else, or no, I shall not pursue it, in which case I will cut that person off and look for somebody else. I did this for a little while, and then I found somebody that was really lovely. It didn't work out, unfortunately, but you know, we did try. And I think this order of doing things is a lot better for yourself to actually really experience love, experience a relationship, experience whether you like this person or not, and whether you're willing to fight through small things that set you aside in order to pursue love and a relationship with this person. If you're not, it's just that your worldviews are far too different. So yeah, look for someone else. There's plenty of people. If yes, then hey, if you have to slightly meet halfway, it's okay. It's not about, oh, I shouldn't have to settle for anybody, people should love me how I am. You need to think about this statement and how selfish, how immature it is. You will not find perfect, but you can sure create something very similar to it. But that's the keyword, you create it, you don't find it. So take somebody that's, you know, that you like, that you quite like, and that is not too different from you in worldviews, and then work through little storms and little raindrops, and you will encounter the rainbow on the other side. So based on what we just said, the ideal dating app will be one in which you can only talk to one match at a time. This is the number one problem with dating apps, but really the problem is in us because we don't have a lot of self-control. But the ideal app, the ideal situation will be the app only allowing for you to have one person at a time. You talk to this person, you like them, you don't like them, you go to the next, but you don't have 10,000 options. No, that doesn't work. It doesn't work, especially if there's a lack or like a bad ratio. If there are more women than men, or if there are more men than women, it won't work well. But we don't have such an app. So what can we do if we are relying on dating apps? Well, we have to have some self-control. We have to do the things that we wish to see in the world, become the change we wish to see. Other people aren't doing it. That's not your problem. You are keeping your soul healthy and at bay. You are not letting go of it, unlike the people that you may complain of are doing. So shouldn't it be enough that you are better and you're doing better than others? Trust in yourself and do not think or worry too much about little vanities of, oh, but this girl that I'm talking to is like, or this guy that I'm talking to is talking to multiple people. If they are, well, that sucks on them. You're a loyal person to your heart, and it will reflect in the aura around you if you are a good person. And in being this way, I guarantee you, you will attract good people. Before finishing the video, I just want to emphasize once again on the purpose of dating. I don't feel like I've done that really vigorously or vehemently enough. Dating should be for the pursuit of a lifetime partner. If you're complaining about dating apps being evil and whatever, it's not the case. We're just bad at this. And I understand. Fucking construction workers, man. And I understand we want love. We all do. Understand that and know that the other person that you may be speaking to wants love too. Understand that you should become love in order to find love. Become the thing you wish to see. A lifetime partner is there waiting for you. A lifetime partner which would be, and you know, if you really think about it, much more enjoyable than having 100 partners, whatever. Look, there's already a stigma around, you know, women getting multiple partners, that's a bad thing, and then men getting multiple partners is a good thing. No, they're both bad. Like, it's terrible. It doesn't make a woman better, like it certainly doesn't. And it doesn't make a man better. It just shows a lack of self-control, which is not a masculine trait. And of course, to have more attraction, we need to have more polarity. The greatest of sex and the greatest of couples come from the really masculine and the really feminine women, not those that are 50-50. They're more like friends with benefits. So invest some time into these thoughts, right? Take some action, make some notes. Don't only watch me for the sake of being funny or entertainment. It's not what I am here to do, at least not on this channel. But yes, be patient. You may feel some sense of urgency as you see your age getting higher and higher in the number, but don't worry. It's because there's urgency that you should take it slow and not rush into things with somebody and then regret that they are no longer there in a year or in a week. And patiently lay the foundation to find a person that you can develop memories with, develop a family with, develop love with. Hope you liked the video. Strive to be 1% better every day, and much love. Quick reminder to fix your posture and take deep breaths into your diaphragm from your nose.